the lower school production of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory reminded us that although the world is not perfect, good things can happen if we have the right mind and also entrepreneurial spirit. And Jessica is going to perform a piece from Charlie for us.
Well, Charlie, dear boy, it seems as if you're the only one left. And that, Charlie, means that you won! Oh, I'm absolutely delighted! It couldn't have been any better. Well, we mustn't dilly, mustn't dally. We've got arrangements to make. You mean you didn't know? Charlie, you know I love my chocolate factory. Well, ask yourself, do you love my chocolate factory too? But think carefully, because it's important what you say. Now, don't worry, Charlie. Of course you will receive all the candy that I promised right at the start, as will all the others. It's only fair. A promise is a promise. But I want you to receive something much, much more. You see, this whole day has been a competition. Yes, a competition to see who would be best for the job. Charlie, I'm not getting any younger. And ideas and inventions, they don't come so easily to me as they once did. And I need some help. I want you, Charlie Bucket, to take over the running of the place. You see, I've been watching you right from the start. And I can see the type of person you really are. A person who appreciates what he's been given and isn't always greedily demanding more, more, more. Well, Charlie, will you accept my offer? Do you want my world-famous factory to be yours? Charlie's factory. Charlie and the